When using Service Shop, if you have access to shop across multiple company codes, you will need to select the relevant company code from the first drop-down box. The shopping cart name will default, however this can be overtyped if you wish to name your shopping cart. You can enter a supplier number into the supplier ID field, or you can use the search by clicking on the icon at the end of the field. You can then search by any of the fields. You do not need to use wildcards. If you enter a city or a name, it will return all results with that city or name. All supplier results returned are suppliers that are available for use by your organisation. Any suppliers that are blocked or marked for deletion will not be visible. Once you have found the supplier that you wish to use, highlight the line and click OK. This will populate the supplier's details underneath the supplier ID field. You can then select a delivery date using the calendar at the end of the field. If the date you select is unrealistic, a warning message will appear, however you can continue. If you have a delivery address set as a default, this will be pre-populated. However, you can overtype this or search for an alternative delivery address by clicking on the icon at the end of the field. There are multiple fields available to search on, or you can click Go to return all delivery addresses that are available to you. Once you have found the relevant delivery address, click on the line and click OK. This will populate the delivery address details underneath the delivery address field. Once you have entered all of the header information, click Add Row to add the line to your shopping cart. As this is a service order, only one line can be added. Therefore, when you add a row, the button will disappear. Some of the key fields within the app have hover help available, such as description, value, GL account, cost centre. If you hover over the field, you will be able to see the text. Once you click into the description field, the box will pop out, allowing you to view all the text at one time. Once you have entered your description, click Accept and Close to populate the box. You can then either enter a product category into the product category field, or you can search by clicking on the icon at the end of the field. This will open the product category box, and you can search either by product category number or product category name, including any keywords. You will then see results returned, including the keywords that you have entered. Highlight the product category that you would like to use and click OK. This will populate the box. You can then enter a contract number, if known, or you can search for one by using the icon at the end of the field. You will then see a pop-up box. This will ask whether you would like to search for a contract with the selected supplier, alternative supplier, or if you do not want this pop-up box to be displayed again. If you click on alternative suppliers, you will see that the company code is pre-populated from the one you selected in the header information, and the product category is the one that you have selected at line item level. If you click Go, any contract relating to this product category will be displayed. To select one, highlight the line and click OK. It will then ask you if you would like it to change the alternative supplier in the header, which you must do so if you are selecting an alternative supplier. The GL account will be pre-populated from the product category if there is a one-to-one relationship. However, this can be overtyped. If you know the GL account, you can type it in the box, or you can click on the search icon at the end of the field. You can then search on GL account number or GL account name. The cost centre box will be pre-populated if you have a default set. Again, you can overtype this, or you can search for an alternative cost centre by clicking the icon at the end of the field. You can then search by cost centre number or cost centre name. You can enter an SIO if required, or you can use the search icon at the end of the field. Again, you can search by SIO number or SIO name. And it is the same with WBS element. You can enter the WBS if you know it, or you can use the search icon at the end of the field. Here you have multiple options to search on within your company code. The subtotal will be calculated at the end of the field. If you wish to delete the row and start again, you will need to click on the trash icon underneath the delete header. The account assignment category is now pre-populated in the background, depending on the account assignment combination that has been entered. To view this, click on Extended Mode. You will then see the account category either Revenue, Capital or WBS. In this instance, a Revenue GL account and cost centre have been entered. Therefore, the account assignment category has populated as Rev, which is correct. Once you are happy with all the information you have entered, click Check to check for any errors. If there are errors, an error message will be returned, and if not, you will receive a pop-up which will tell you that there are no errors found. You can then submit your shopping cart. Once you have submitted the shopping cart, you will receive a cart number and the user ID of the person it has gone to for approval.